are research studies that show that keeping animals and humans together during and after a really stressful and high trauma time period is actually super beneficial to families.
It's been really incredible both to see the need that needs to be met and to be able to participate in anything helping to meet that need.
My name is Kira Munns. I'm the shelter social worker as well as a Better Together program manager.
And my name is Jessie Colgan. I am the Associate Director of Shelter Services and Community Programs.
So the Better Together program is a community program that the ultimate goal is to preserve the human-animal bond and to reunite families after a crisis situation. There are a couple different facets of the program. General community support through offering animal food and supplies, vouchers for vaccine clinic and microchips, and then just providing referrals to our community to affordable pet care or even human service agency referrals as well.
This team is run by a small group of people in terms of the entire shelter. Last year, Foothills Animal Shelter, which is the only full-service animal shelter serving Jefferson County, saw almost 9,000 animals, and our protective custody program saw over 650 of those animals.
So we've gotten to see firsthand some of the inequities that do exist, both in animal and human services. And we've been able to kind of fill that gap as best we can by creating a quite easy entry to our program.
It has been really impactful to us both, I think personally, to know that we're contributing to people's ability to enhance their own health by ensuring that their animals are in a safe place.
Just how wonderful it is that Foothills Animal Shelter has embraced a social worker into this position. It really speaks to kind of the environment and the values that the shelter has continued growing into, that we not only help meet the animal needs, but also the human needs.
The impact that humans and animals have on each other, and knowing that animal sheltering as a whole is taking that very seriously now makes me very excited, and it makes me very excited to be a part of it.
We had one situation where there's a lady who was getting out of a violent situation with her children, and oftentimes people don't leave those situations because there's not a place for them to go with their animals safely. We were able to provide that resource and have her dogs come and stay with us. We were able to get her dogs vaccinated and spayed. That way they were moved and ready for their new apartment and required that. And just give her that time to be able to make the arrangements and move and get all that ready.
Every experience has been incredible. Every time we're able to do anything big or small for a member of the community, it impacts us so positively and personally. And that moment when an animal and a human are reunited, even after a short period like 10 days, is just so astonishing. The reaction of the human and the reaction of the animal brings us so much joy and just really reinforces for us the good that we're able to do with the program.